girl Mo F. Houston. I haven't done a haul in a while, so I figure I'll do one. Okay, from the Dollar Tree. My baby girl liked Minnie, so she's seen this. I got her that. I got this because I had a $1 off coupon. So I got this for free. And then I got these Salon Effects by Sally Hansen. And these were only designs and things that they had. Then I went to Walgreens and I got the texturizer softener for my daughter. Just took her braids out. And then they had these 40% off, so it's supposed to have been $1 something, but it rung up $2.99. These were $1.69, buy one get one half off, and I got a coupon for $1 off. So these rung up wrong, and these rung up wrong. This was on clearance for $1.79, and I had a $1 off coupon for all of these. $1 off coupon. So they rung up wrong, so I ended up getting $7 of my money back for these two. So basically I got all of these for free. Plus I got 3 things of the theater box candy. So all that was free. The only thing I ended up paying for is this. So that is my haul, you guys. Have a good day.